Hello students, this video is on the understanding of the direction of current. Sometimes while applying Kirchhoff's laws and solving the circuit, we come across the current, electric current to be negative, and this video is to demonstrate what is the kind of fact that negative current reveals. So I've given the title of this video to be Direction of Electric Current. For that sake, I have taken a circuit, or you can say this is a part of the network in which closed loop involves two batteries and two resistances. The batteries are of 25 volt and 28 volt, and the resistances are 20 ohm and 10 ohm respectively. Now the question is, in which direction should I take the electric current? That is, shall I take clockwise current or anti-clockwise current in this circuit? Now, as far as application of loop rule is concerned, you can take any direction. I mean, you can choose clockwise and you can choose anti-clockwise. It won't be any problem. Let's say what happens if I take the current to be flowing in clockwise direction and in anti-clockwise direction. Both the respective calculations are shown. So once I have taken the current to be flowing in clockwise direction, the current is I. Applying the loop rule in the loop A, B, C, D, A. From A to B, we have two circuit components, resistance, so one IR product, and battery, so one EMF term. As the current is in the direction in which I traverse, so the IR product would be negative, and therefore minus 10I would appear here. While traversing, the negative terminal of the battery comes first. So EMF term is positive, and therefore plus 25 appears. B to C, I do not have any circuit component. C to D, I have two circuit components, and therefore these two terms would appear there. From traversing, from moving C to D, battery comes, and the battery has positive terminal first, so EMF would be negative, and therefore minus 28 appears here. From further on, I have the current in the direction in which I am traversing, so minus 20I appears here. This minus 10I and minus 20I becomes minus 30I. This plus 25 and minus 28 becomes minus 3. And solving, I do get I to be minus 0.1 ampere. So I do see that here electric current turns out to be negative. अब यदि आप लोगों को ये पार्ट नहीं करना है तो भी आप लोग ये चीज अप्लाई कर सकते हो, that really the current flowing in this closed loop is 0.1 ampere, but it is not in clockwise direction, it is in anti-clockwise direction. यहाँ से ये conclude कर सकते हैं. But let's say मैंने by chance यदि anti-clockwise current लिया होता तो वो current की direction मैंने इस circuit में show up कर रखी है. Taking the loop A, B, C, D, A से B plus 10I, negative terminal first है तो plus 25, then B to C कुछ नहीं, C to D positive terminal first आता है तो minus 28, and current opposite direction में है तो plus 20I equal to 0. Solving that, I do get I is equal to 0.1 ampere. And मैंने यहाँ लिखा here current turns out to be positive, and therefore its true direction of the current, मतलब वही current direction है. तो यही किरचॉफ रूल अप्लाई करने के बाद यदि फाइनली आंसर आपका नेगेटिव आ रहा है करंट की टर्म में, तो उसका मतलब ये है कि उसका मैग्नीट्यूड सही है, वही है, बट करंट की डायरेक्शन जो है वो आपको रिवर्ट करनी है, उल्टी करनी है। ये डिस्कशन से एक और भी सीख हमें ये मिल रही है कि डियर फ्रेंड्स, ये एक ही लूप में दो बैटरी काम कर रही है। यहाँ से बाकी की डायरेक्शनों में से बाकी कहीं से, जैसे ये कोई ब्रांच मैंने दिखा रखी है, उसमें से कोई करंट नहीं फ्लो कर रहा है, तो आप ये मान सकते हो कि जो भी दोनों बैटरी, तो यहाँ दो बैटरी है, दोनों बैटरी में से बड़े ईएमएफ की कौन सी बैटरी है, 28 वोल्ट, उसके पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल से करंट निकलेगा। यदि 28 वोल्ट की पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल से करंट निकलता है तो ऐसे फ्लो करेगा और वो एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में होगा। बट हर वक्त ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप वो क्लैरिफिकेशन अप्लाई कर सकते हो। वैसे चिंता करने की तो कोई बात है नहीं, यू नीड नॉट टू टेक एनी टेंशन, बिकॉज आफ्टर अप्लाइंग ऑल द लॉज, if current turns out to be negative this way, then it tells us that the direction of current is actually in the opposite direction to what you have presumed. That's all for now. See you in the next video. Thank you.